If you are tired of posting videos that YouTube is not recommending, you've been posting videos and if you go to your channel analytics, you're not seeing anything from suggested, you're not seeing anything from browse features, which are the major places that your videos will get to and blow up. You're not even seeing Google, an external site. At the end of this video, you're going to understand how you can actually make YouTube to recommend your video everywhere. And when your video gets everywhere, you know what follows next. You're going to get more subscribers, more watch time hours, and YouTube is going to recommend you with more impressions. So with that much being said, let's get right into this video. Nothing in this video is a theory. These are exact strategies that YouTube itself has confirmed, made videos about, and people are currently using them to make YouTube to recommend. I am also using them to make YouTube to recommend my video. My videos are appearing on browse features, on suggested, and these are strategies that have actually helped me to get to this point. These are strategies that top creators are using and is rewarding them currently. So if you want YouTube to finally start pushing your videos on recommended, on search, on browse features, you need to watch this video to the very end. First of all, let's talk about why YouTube is not recommending your video. Now, you need to understand that YouTube is not going to recommend your video because you uploaded it. Yes, it is not every video that is being uploaded on YouTube that YouTube is recommending to people. YouTube only recommends videos based on your audience response. When you post a video right now and people are watching your videos, they're interested in the video, your retention is okay, your average view duration is okay, it gives a signal to the YouTube algorithm. And once the signal is good, it simply start recommending it on browse features, suggested, homepage, and everywhere. Now, a lot of creators don't know this, and once they see that their videos are not being recommended, they simply start saying, YouTube hates me, maybe YouTube needs more tags, or they think that they actually need to post more often before YouTube will start recommending them, or they even think they need to beg people to subscribe. All these are not just it. They are not the reason why YouTube is not recommending your video. Currently, YouTube is recommending videos based on three main signals. Number one is your click-through rate. How often and how fast do people click on your video based on your title and your thumbnail. Number two is your average view duration. And this is where retention comes in. How well is your first 10 seconds or your 30 seconds? Because if people are not hooked in your first 10 seconds, they're going to click away and your average view duration is going to be low. And the third factor is how satisfied are your viewers after watching your videos. If these three factors do not scream value, YouTube will not push your videos. It is not personal, it is simply data. Now let's break down what you have to do so that YouTube can actually start pushing your videos. Number one signal is topic demand. YouTube simply recommend videos based on what people are currently searching for. And once people are searching for that video and you make a video around it, they are going to watch. And as they are watching, YouTube will keep on recommending your video to more people. This is why you must create content around what is currently trending. That's a trending problem, trending questions, trending tutorials, viral moments in your niche. Yes, in one of my previous videos, I talked about how you can actually go to YouTube search bar to have an idea of what is trending, what people are searching for. I talked about the importance of why you must make your research before you start creating your content. I talked about the importance of why you must do copy on YouTube. Yes, copy strategy. Why you must repurpose your content based on what other creators in your niche are talking about, because it shows that that thing actually has a clear value right now. It actually has a clear problem it is solving. It has a clear question it is currently answering right now. So if you make videos on that base, you're going to get views. Another signal that YouTube sees to push your video is viewer prediction. YouTube simply check the history of your viewers and then predict if they are going to watch, if they are going to enjoy your video based on their previous histories. And this is why niche consistency matters. If you have a clear niche, YouTube will keep sending your video to people that are interested in your niche. And by the time you post a video, it's easy for YouTube to recommend it because they already predict that this is what someone has been watching. They've been watching videos based on similar niche. If you post different niches every day, YouTube will not understand your audience. And by so doing, they don't even know how to recommend your video. See, I know it is very hard to stick on a clear niche, especially if you're a new YouTuber, you're just starting on YouTube. I know there's this temptation to always post what you feel like is trending, because there are certain videos that trend faster, right? There's always a temptation to always post what you see that people are currently getting views on But what you don't understand is that if you don't have a clear niche, you can actually trend right now. The next day, they're not interested in what you're posting again. Because by the next time they come to your channel, they are seeing something differently. I have a video on my channel that I talked about why it is wrong to go viral as a small channel, especially if you are not niche down. You can check that video. It's going to explain a whole lot of things to you. It's going to open your eyes to a whole lot of things. So the best thing you can actually do for yourself on YouTube if you are currently starting, or if you are thinking of starting up a YouTube channel, is to first of all, pick a niche. Ask yourself, what am I best at? What will I enjoy doing? Not what people are looking for or what others are doing. What will you enjoy doing? Stick to it. YouTube is going to reward you in the long run because you are going to grow faster than others that are posting different type of things on their channel. Many of us have made the same mistake and posting different type of things. This is not the first channel I've ever created on YouTube. I had a channel that was posting different type of things, and at the end of the day I was frustrated until I started posting on a clear niche, how to make money online. Yes, I have another channel that I talk about how to make money online, right? In that channel, I never grew until I started posting on a clear niche. I was posting different type of things, faith-based content, cooking content, motivational content, skincare content. I never grew until I started talking about how to make money online on a clear topic, just that topic. And that was when I saw that the channel picked up. So please, the best thing you can actually do for yourself on YouTube is to stick on a topic, a clear niche, one niche. Getting YouTube to recommend your video is very simple. Have a clear title. Once you've had a clear niche, a clear title, your thumbnail is beautiful, it is curiosity based, your video has a benefit, it has a problem it wants to solve, it has a question it wants to answer, and then time relevance, you are creating it at the right time. You've actually searched and see that this is what people are looking for. YouTube will push your videos. It is as simple as that. Another thing is for you to be able to hook viewers in your first 30 seconds. Don't introduce yourself at the beginning of your video. Maybe towards the middle, once you've brought out what you're going to tell them in the video, you brought out the solution, you brought out the question you're going to answer, you brought out the problem you're going to solve, then you can then introduce yourself, let them know what you're doing on your channel. Ensure you take note of your pace. Remove long intros while you are editing. Remove irrelevant stories. Go straight to value. People simply stay longer watching your video if you don't waste their time. Another major secret is to build a content pattern. YouTube simply recommends creators who build a clear viewer identity. Ask yourself, who are my viewers? Like, who am I creating this content for? Why do they watch me? What do they expect anytime I upload? If YouTube cannot predict your viewers, there's no way they're going to recommend your video. Just like I was saying, have a clear niche. You should know your viewers, what they want. Your viewers should know what they should expect when you upload. If you're meeting your channel for the first time and they watched a video of you cooking, the next time they want to see a video of you cooking too, and maybe another dish. The next time they should also see a video of you maybe vlogging with your family, and then you are eating, like a normal family lifestyle content. If today they come to your video and they see you cooking, the next day they come to your video, they see you teaching about YouTube. The next time they come to your channel to also give you a chance again and they see you talking about how to make money online, they'll just be like, this guy is confused, this lady is confused. I mean, what exactly are you doing? And when people say that you are confused, they're not going to trust you enough to subscribe to your channel, let alone the algorithm. So choose one lane. Are you going to be talking about faceless YouTube channels? Are you going to be talking about YouTube growth? Are you about productivity? Are you about making money online? Just choose one and dominate on it. Another thing, which is the game changer, is to keep people watching. If people are able, if your title is good, your thumbnail is good, keep them watching, at least up to 40% plus. If you have a 6-minute video, for example, and you're able to keep people watching 2 to 3 minutes, YouTube will recommend that video. If your video is 10 minutes and you're able to keep people to watch for 4 to 5 minutes, YouTube will recommend it very hard. Watch time on YouTube is simply all the weapon you need to succeed, especially very fast. Now, let's talk about how you can actually increase your watch time. One is to use an open loop. Example, you can say something like, I'm going to show you exactly the strategy I used, but before that, your audience will wait. Number 2 strategy is to break your video into blocks. People will stay longer if your video moves. For example, section 1 should be the problem. Section 2 should be the data. Section 3 should be the solution to the problem. Section 4 should be the steps. And section 5 should be the result of the solution to the problem. Then your section 6 should simply be the bonus. Remove every as in all those things, remove it when you're editing your video, because dead spaces can actually kill your watch time. And so you always use captions or on-screen texts. Like when you're talking, use captions to explain your points, use stock footages and on-screen text. People simply like visuals and fast-paced information. Ensure every part of your video delivers value. Don't drag, don't repeat, don't talk too slow. Now let's talk about how your videos can actually appear on browse features. This is the recommendation source that gives you real viewers, massive growth, returning subscribers, consistent traffic. Now, before your videos can actually appear on browse features or on the homepage, video must first of all have early engagement, high and early engagement. The video should be what makes people feel good. YouTube is simply tracking satisfaction of your viewers, and the way they're tracking it is they're tracking your likes, comments, shares, surveys, and the percentage of people who watched your video to the very end. So always end your video with something positive. These are the simple strategies you can actually use: creating content that are valuable, searchable, being able to hook people in the first 10 seconds. Your title, your thumbnail should be beautiful. I feel like I've said so much in this video. If you enjoyed this video, do well to like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I have new videos, you're going to get notified. Thank you for watching. Bye.